You're welcome to Canvas Studios. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country. Now, today we are coming to talk about the Wassce 2024. The weather exams are Waec at my concern. No, I have a concern, yes, and I have some statement to make about this whole issue. And I feel like Waec has not been fair to the cancelled exams I'm currently be facing, because I feel like it's not just a they should have given it a second thought. Yes, and that is my opinion, Abusia. Now, it's very simple. But before I continue my statement, if your Waec this thing has been cancelled, any of your Wassce subject has been cancelled, either math, English, social, whatever, let us all know in the comment section. Don't feel shy, because we are all here to discuss and talk about the Wassce. And I feel like they haven't been fair to some of us. When I say some of us, I don't mean I'm part, but I feel like a count into an account too. Yes, and we are all, there is this one blood that is running through all our veins. You know, we are all equal, no matter the differences. We are all equal. So let's see which of your exams question, which of your exam subjects was cancelled, and I feel like they haven't been fair. Exams were held for like 2 months. Saying there was this exams more practice projectors being used in the exams hall, so they would tell the questions or the papers for like 2 months, 2 to 3 months, if I'm not misquoting. So at that time they were doing investigation, right? So investigation. And then after those investigation for like 2 to 3 months now, in my community, they were testing the students. Messages. Hello, Salif Abdul, we need you at Waec head office at Second Takrade. You should come so that we interrogate you. Come and write a statement for us to know that if this Charlie a lot blah 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 blah. And then these children, they came to your office. You told them to write statement, and after writing the statement, when they came back home, you guys cancelled the exams paper. So I don't see I don't really want to use some words, because I feel like we have some high prominent people at the office, but I feel like it doesn't click, because what's in the fine, right? Which will be say, oh yeah, the bunny at that moment punish the person. Let's move on. Let the person see his or her face. My name who say, okay, my exam paper has been cancelled, maths has been cancelled, science has been cancelled, social studies has been cancelled. So that if the person is going to write an deck or is going to rewrite the Wassce again, we know that okay, fine. What would you do for like 2 to 3 months? But still you're doing investigation, and with the investigation you still call them to come to the head office, and after coming into the head office writing their statement, you still cancel the paper. So what was preventing you guys from cancel it at the moment that you see that okay, there is these exams malpractice, they use projectors, they use foreign materials to come into the exam, so cancel it so that the parents will be fine. They will get to know that okay, right, upon my cancel, it's okay, control for fine. Why the delay? Oh Charlie, sometimes when we look at some certain things and some certain areas that this country is really moving, you don't know. I don't really want to politicize everything, you know. I don't really want to use it to say okay, it's because of the previous government, or the government was owing them. Fine. Let me see your comment in the comment section, because I feel like this is not fair. This is not fair. And for you sharing this video, I think it's really good if you're a victim of it. Even if you are not a victim, these things do happen. It might be you in the next. We don't know. We don't really know what is going to happen next. But for you to share this video, I really appreciate it. Thanks for joining me today. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. I'm finally out.